Today's guest is Joseph Victor from Team Quebec. At the 2025 Canada Games in St. John, he made a history, winning Quebec's first ever paracycling gold medal in the road race. Let's hear how he did it and what it felt like to take that victory. Let's do it.
So you got it first place now, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah. Why do you think so?
They give the gold to the first place, I think.
And what's your name?
Joseph Vachon.
From Quebec, right?
Yes, Quebec.
Okay.
Arms at the same time because going uphill with a hand bike, it's pretty much it's really hard because we cannot. Cyclists, they can rise up and they can put their entire weight on the pedals, but we don't have that luxury, so we just row it really hard. So we can go really fast downhill, but we lose a lot of speed uphill because we cannot use the weight of our body to propel ourselves.
And so how do you train? Is it a lot of arms? Like what muscles does it take? Do you use your core?
Everything that's left. But yeah, it's pretty much biceps, forearms, triceps, shoulders, pecs, backs. All the upper body works. Really, at the end of a race, you pretty much use all the muscles that are available to you because you gotta do it with what you have. So, yeah.
Does your bike have a name?
Not yet. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'll come back to you next race with a name, I think.
Awesome. How do you train? Like, are you do you do like pull-ups? Do you do push-ups?
Well, I right now I don't really do I don't do body musculation. All the workouts I do are bike related. If you want to be good in biking, I think the best exercise, the best training is going to be to bike and just train for what you're going to do. So we go, we do bike on the biking lane a lot. We also have a special stand that we can put the front wheel in it, and the bike becomes a stationary bike, so we can train at home or during the winter, and you can adjust the resistance of the trainer. And our coach gave us some special interval trainings to do with the system, and it really paid off well today. I think it made a difference because in only 3 weeks of training I feel way more powerful, confident, and I was able to go faster than before.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
In next, we're going to the straight in the machine that made history, Joseph Trike. 3 wheels built for the purpose to win. We'll get closer than ever, see design, power, and speed. And then watch it throw up the road. This is racing another level, and you don't want to miss it. See you then.
We gotta go. Transport is there.